Hey, welcome back guys to another episode of Holy Shit. This episode is all about the reasons why I left medicine and started doing holy shit. Before we come to the medical miracle, let us set the mood for this scene. So Mithun Chakravarti is supposed to get married to this heroine. And his friend Suresh Oberoi is bringing the Sherwani so that Mithun Chakravarti can get ready. And he's very happy about it. When he finds Mithun Chakravarti totally dead, stabbed in his stomach, Suresh Oberoi is surprised. Kadir Khan comes up with a genius plan of how they can save Mithun Chakravarti with this brain transplant idea.
सर वापस आ सकता है, मर का ऑपरेशन करके उसका दिमाग निकाल कर डीप फ्रीज में रख दीजिए सर, और फिर किसी ऐसे मरीज को लगा दीजिए जिसको दिमाग की जरूरत हो.
So then they take out Amar's brain from his head. इस तरह तो रायता मिल जाता है यार सिंधी स्वीट्स पे अगर भटूरे ऑर्डर करो. They put it in a deep freeze, which looks like it is an oven. You can see the tray coming out when you pull the glass. They have a tray underneath this tray, and there are ice cubes in the tray. And they take a plate, put Amar's brain, and they put the plate in the oven. So she ironically damages her brain and goes to Suresh Oberoi, who comes up with this unique idea.
आशा का डैमेज ब्रेन निकालकर उसकी जगह अमर का ब्रेन ट्रांसप्लांट कर दिया जाए.
ब्रिलियंट आइडिया सर, ब्रिलियंट.
And then when the actress wakes up, she has Amar's brain and all of Amar's memory in her head. So she believes that she is Amar. And this is what she asks.
विजय, ये क्या हो गया मेरे साथ? ये कपड़े, ये मेरा हुलिया जनाना कैसे बन गया?
And don't you think that if you were in this situation, you would be like, oh my friend, what the hell? Where did these come from? What the hell did you do to me, you sick bastard? I told you to get a girlfriend, not turn me into your girlfriend. Wait, did you even... Cult classic movie Amar Akbar Anthony has this very famous scene. All of their blood is being collected by a bottle which is, above them. There's no machine, so the blood is automatically going anti-gravity into the bottle. And then these three bottles are connected, which is going into another bottle, which is going into their mother. Forget about blood compatibility, forget about ABO group matching. मतलब है कि यार छोड़ यार, मैं तो ये काम ही छोड़ दिया इसलिए. क्या फायदा इतना पढ़ने लिखने का है? किसी का भी खून किसी में भी डाल दो. The veteran actor Bharat Kumar is known for his patriotism in the movies, but this movie takes it a bit further. So Bharat Kumar's grandfather is suffering from a heart attack. So when the doctor does not want to come, Bharat Kumar comes up with this genius idea. He's going to treat his grandfather.
पिताजी के दिल का इलाज मेरे पास है. मैं आते हुए बैटरी के साथ ले आया हूँ.
By batteries? I wonder where he's going to put those batteries.
इस छोटे से टेप रिकॉर्डर में जो आजाद हिंद फौज का गीत है ना, वो बजेगा और उसे सुनते ही पिताजी के दिल का दर्द दूर हो जाएगा. पिताजी के अंदर का भारतीय सिपाही जाग जाएगा.
As his grandfather hears this patriotic music, his heart starts pumping. He gets off his bed.
पिताजी, गीत बंद क्यों कर दिया?
इसलिए बेटा, अब मैं ठीक हो गया हूँ.
Now in this movie, Mithun Chakravarti is tied around a pole and all the villains are standing around him. So they don't shoot him, they don't stab him, they poison him by a snake. How many times have you heard this? साले, तुझे मैं सांप से कटवाऊंगा. So after Mithun Chakravarti is bitten by this poisonous snake, he dies. They dump his body outside. The only person who can save him is...
अब तो बस दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा डॉक्टर ही इन्हें मौत के शिकंजे से बचा सकता है.
So snake comes and then takes back the poison. And the Mithun Chakravarti is revived again. Forget about the fact that he was dead for about 1 hour. No. The snake revival plan is 100% accurate. He's like a super saver snake. So now somebody shoots this guy who is lying on the operation table. The doctor comes out to the relatives.
भैया को और दर्द नहीं पहुंचना चाहिए डॉक्टर साहब.
Apparently there is a magical medicine in this world.
बस एक इंजेक्शन लगते ही आपके भैया एक ऐसी दुनिया में खो जाएं.
This medicine, which is only available with Bollywood directors, if administered to you, you go to this magical land where you forget about all your problems. The sun is setting at the background, there are beautiful women dancing around you, and you're singing and you're enjoying and you're cured. I mean, यार ऐसी कौन सी दवाई है भाई, मेरे को भी दे दे. अभी इससे पहले तो देखा होगा ट्रेलर है, ये असली क्लाइमैक्स है पिक्चर का बॉस. Heart is lying on road and the hero picks up this heart which is like this big. He's like holding it like this. इसको कहाँ घुसाएगा? The villain comes up with a plan. He hits the hero on the back, but the blood is surprisingly everywhere on his chest. I mean, the wound just transferred. दिखाना भी तो है कि लगी है. And the hero, when he's dying, he throws the heart. The heart is in the air. It crashes through the hospital building. It goes into the operation theater where the patient is lying there with his chest open without a heart, and the heart magically drops in. And then the doctor is like, I'll just call you back, I think the heart right now. And the doctor has like no questions at all where this heart came from. He's like, okay, ये normal है, यहाँ होता रहता है. बाहर से heart, kidney, lungs, फेफड़े गिरते रहते हैं. The patient immediately comes back to life. There's like a magical light LED sequence and the patient revives automatically. He takes this needle. मोची भी इससे छोटी नीडल यूज करता है जूते सिलने के लिए. अबे स्वेटर बुन रहा है क्या? तो ये इतना बड़ा मोटा धागा निकाल रखा है. It looks like, you know, he's cutting off the bloody arteries after this guy dies. Now when they're trying to molest his girlfriend, wife, he's like, ask him to come and protect you. And then she uses this magical sound wave which travels through the air, enters the chitta which is on fire. Person inside should be burning by now. Goes into his ear canal, plays around with his RBCs, goes to his heart, repairs all the wounds in his body, and the heart magically starts beating again. The guy jumps out of the chitta and starts fighting all these gundas. And the police gives him a standing ovation. This movie should be sent to the Oscars. मैंने आयुर्वेदा सुना है, एलोपैथी सुनी है, होम्योपैथी सुनी है, ये साउंडोपैथी कौन सी है यार? So there it is, guys. This is the whole video about the what the medical techniques and procedures. So if you've enjoyed this video, share this video, guys, so that it goes to as many people as possible. And make sure you click on the subscribe button because we try to upload as many videos as we can on the awesomeness of Indian cinema.
I'm suffering from a heart attack. Please cure. Please cure.
Don't worry. 2 ड्यूरासेल की बैटरियां, 1 ट्रांजिस्टर और 4 पेट्रियोटिक सॉन्ग्स की सीडियां. ड्यूरासेल की बैटरियां ट्रांजिस्टर में डालो और इसके अंदर पेट्रियोटिक सॉन्ग्स डाल के सुनो, यू विल बी फाइन. ये प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लो और जाओ और मौज मारो. चलो, क्या बात. हाँ, वो किडनी वाला भेजो आगे.